I'm Steve Thelen, president of Thelen Sand Gravel. Thelen Sand Gravel is really a land company, not a mining or a compost or a farming company. Mining and compost and farming is just how we use our land.
SunPeak is a developer of commercial industrial solar energy systems. We partnered with Thelen at their mine in northern Illinois on a solar project which is now one of the largest behind-the-meter solar installations in the Midwest.
We chose solar because of this incentives from Illinois, created an environment that we could efficiently generate our own power and provide our own power needs, which would create a sustainable future for our mining operations.
As Thelen was considering the solar system, we interviewed several different companies during our process, at which time we selected SunPeak primarily for two reasons. One is their history in the industry, and secondly about their ability to work within our needs and our timing. The solar system ties directly into our sustainability and the fact that we are taking and not leaving a scar on the environment in our actions.
One of the other unique things about this project is that the solar array was built on an area that had already been retired, on a piece of land that many would consider exhausted. Instead, the property was creatively repurposed to produce clean energy for decades to come.
During the peak of the sun, it will provide about 70% of our power needs, but annually it will provide about 30% of our total power needs.
One of the great things about this project is that it's a very visible demonstration of their commitment to environmental stewardship. By installing solar energy where they consume the power, it adds a level of resiliency and stability to the local power grid that wouldn't be there otherwise. I think it's important to acknowledge the impact that the Future Energy Jobs Act had on this project. Not only did Thelen Sand Gravel benefit from incentives that were awarded through the Illinois Adjustable Block Program, but we also hired workforce through the Peoria Tri-County Urban League to help build the project.
It's a sustainable use. It fits in with our family's sustainable culture because we are always about how do we prepare the next generation for their success, not for my success or my generation's success.
This is another example how we engage with the community, show them our commitment to environmental concerns and that we are a good neighbor to the community.
Our land is never wasted. Our land is always reclaimed and repurposed so that we can actually create a sustainable model going forward. Our solar panels fit directly inside of what we do because we are looking for the future.